What is called the second Taj Mahal of India? A. Bibi ka Maqbara. B. Humayun's tomb. C. Gol Gumbaz. Correct answer is A. Bibi ka Maqbara. How many liters of water can an elephant hold in its trunk? A. 2 liters. B. 5 liters. C. 8 liters. Correct answer is C. 8 liters. How many teeth does a snake have in its mouth? A. 2. B. 4. C. So. Correct answer is C. So. What is the average lifespan of a goat? A. 8 to 10 years. B. 15 to 18 years. C. 20 to 25 years. Correct answer is A. 8 to 10 years. Which animal carries its baby in a pouch? A. Kangaroo. B. Fox. C. Bear. Correct answer is A. Kangaroo. Which is the longest living animal? A. Elephant. B. Tortoise. C. Whale. Correct answer is B. Tortoise. Where did Gautam Buddha give his first sermon? A. Gaya. B. Kushinagar. C. Sarnath. Correct answer is C. Sarnath. In which country are chickens blue in color? A. India. B. Indonesia. C. Brazil. Correct answer is B. Indonesia. Jackfruit is the national fruit of which country? A. India. B. Sri Lanka. C. Bangladesh. Correct answer is C. Bangladesh. Which country is considered the origin of Kabaddi? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. Correct answer is A. India. Where is the world's longest railway platform located? A. Gorakhpur. B. Hubli. C. Kharagpur. Correct answer is B. Hubli. In which city is the Jallianwala Bagh located? A. Delhi. B. Ludhiana. C. Amritsar. Correct answer is C. Amritsar. What is the national sport of Japan? A. Sumo. B. Judo. C. Karate. Correct answer is A. Sumo. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre happen? A. 1915. B. 1919. C. 1921. Correct answer is B. 1919. Which country has no rivers at all? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Qatar. C. Kuwait. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. Which river changes its course the most? A. Brahmaputra. B. Ganga. C. Kosi. Correct answer is C. Kosi. Which country has the largest gold reserves in the world? A. India. B. USA. C. Russia. Correct answer is B. USA. Which place is known as the Paris of India? A. Jaipur, B. Mumbai, C. Pondicherry. Correct answer is C. Pondicherry. What is the national bird of India? A. Peacock, B. Parrot, C. Swan. Correct answer is A. Peacock. Which Indian state has the least Muslim population? A. Mizoram, B. Punjab, C. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is A. Mizoram.